What's up, guys? So for you guys who don't know, this is my MK1. I've had it for a while now. I don't think I ever showed you guys this car or spoke about it, but yeah, it's a basic 1.4i. Really nice Mark 1, to be honest. Very reliable so far, and it's also a wolf spec, as you guys can see. Original wolf spec. Only thing I changed on this car was the steering wheel, because I like that steering wheel. I decided to remove the previous one, which I now wish I kept. But yeah, today we will be doing a clutch replacement on this car. Clutch is slipping a bit, but we'll have that sorted today. Let's get into it. So before we get into it, I just want to tell you guys there was a few things that I actually replaced. The clutch cable, obviously, as you can see, it's new. Still need to just get that plate that I can bolt on or attach to the body of the car so that my clutch cables can last. This one, however, has been lasting. It wedged itself in there, as you can see. There was a few things that I changed. First of all, the spark plugs. So there was a miss on the car. Not really a miss, but it sounded like my car had a cam in. I decided to replace a few things. As always, we always go for the spark plugs. And then I decided to get some brand new spark plug leads, a brand new distributor cap as well. And then after I fitted everything, the car still did the exact same thing. I decided to remove the throttle body, clean it a bit. It helped for a lot of other people, but it did not help for me in this case. I decided to test the map sensor just by pulling it out, seeing the car idles differently. Car idle differently, meaning it actually worked. And then lastly, I decided, okay, let me check the injectors. And then I removed each injector one by one while the car was idling. And then when we got to injector number 4, the car stayed exactly the same, so I knew the problem was with the injectors. Then I decided to get some petrol injector cleaner, and then the car had a different idle, but the problem was still there. But you could hear the car got better. And then after I decided to buy myself some second-hand injectors, the day I was about to fit the injectors, the car brought itself back. So I don't know if that was the last of the injector cleaner that actually fixed the problem. But yeah, as you guys heard, the car idles nice, a bit high, but the car idles nice. It has some smoke in the back, but I think that's only because it's so cold outside. You guys can see this clutch don't look too bad, to be honest, but you can see it is wet. And one of the common problems with that is usually this seal, this little bush over here, the one there, that one that I'm touching. So usually they have the problem, and then oil will leak through there, and then that's how your clutch starts slipping, because it becomes wet. So I'm thinking that's the problem. I'm still gonna replace the clutch because we are here now, but as you can see, it doesn't look too bad, man. Okay guys, so we got that loose. They differed from the other inner CV. This is the Torx, the other one was Allen key. So I'm just gonna go get different parts, and then that's sorted. And then the tiki bush over there we're gonna keep quickly. And then perhaps a new inner CV. Then we should be sorted, hopefully. Alright guys, so we got some parts. Got the new inner CV. Some sandpaper if it's necessary. This is the tiki bush seal that you'll need for the problem that we have. And then some brake cleaner obviously. And then while we're at it, we might as well replace the other seal that comes over there, the black one. Might as well replace that also. Doing a MK1 clutch, you just want to make sure that your flywheel dowel goes into that groove over there. If that doesn't line up, then your engine won't turn. That was you.